Okay, this is what it's really about. Primary jet change on that bike. Remount the front fairing, it's just sitting on there. Correctly mount the back brake caliper. Disassemble these forks, put proper fork oil, and put them back together. Late night here at the 805 Mini Bike Builder Bear Garage. You know, Friday night, what is it? Like 8:30 right now. This is how I do it. You know what I mean? This is what we live for. Tinkering, getting ready for little stupid rides, meetups, stuff like that. 10 o'clock. Got most of everything done. Got my bike pretty much done. Straightened up Joseph's back wheel. I've got one more side to pull off and drain the fluid out. Put the proper amount of fluid. And look at that. 10:49. Forks are all done. Light rebuild. Ready to go. Carburetor done. Front fairing done. Forks all cool. New fluid. Feel great. Just gotta torque some stuff down in the morning. Wash these bikes. And we're going to the meetup. Thanks for watching. Please like. Please subscribe. God bless and have a wonderful day.